Hello, hello. Well, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. I'm Nidra. I'm from Florida. Ladies, I know I promised you an update of my conditioners. And first, I'm gonna continue using the Triple Action. I got this from Walmart a few weeks ago. I got a big bottle and my hair loves it. So I'm going to continue this. And I know some of you don't like DIY, so this might be perfect for you guys. The bamboo and banana. And I read the ingredients with the bamboo and banana. I got this at a beauty supply store and the ingredients looks good to me. So I'm going to use this and the Triple Action in my hair routine. You can pick these up, ladies, and we can do this together. Just remember, ladies, just try to stay patient and stay focused. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you.